What if a crypto platform paid you back when you lost a trade? As a beginner trader with no experience at all, you don't need any experience for this. And on top of that, they will give you free tokens just for using the platform. You know, last week I told you that I was going to show you another video 29th of May, this week's Friday, and this is the video that will show you how to do the delta neutral strategy. Don't worry, I know that big influencers don't want me to show you this, but I will explain everything to you. Just give me 8 minutes of your time. That mobile phone in your hand right now can position you to make you money. But wait, oh, that's not all. And if you're watching from Nigeria or anywhere else across Africa, whether you're 18 or 19, this is especially for us. We need to make this money once it comes July 2026. If you're between 18 and 25, you're broke, no experience, no technical knowledge, no connections, and you've been wondering if crypto is actually for someone like you, you're in the right place. My name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I will show you exactly how to make your first real income in crypto starting from zero. No jargons, no shortcuts, just click by click and step by step. In today's video, we're covering Variational Omni, the PerpDEX that refunds your losses and pays you VAR tokens. This is the PerpDEX that will allow us to do the delta neutral strategy, and you don't need any technical experience. I want to show you right away. So this is the video you've been waiting for, and for freedom, and I'm excited to show you everything you need to know. Look guys, you don't need any technical experience. Even as a beginner trader, I promised you in that video that this is the strategy that will help you to trade and get this money when SODEX releases, because exactly 2 months from today, SODEX will be releasing money, to be paying money to everyone that uses the platform. And we said that some people don't know how to trade. The way to help everyone in this community is to use the delta neutral strategy, and the delta neutral strategy is simply buying Bitcoin on one market and then selling Bitcoin on another market. This way, if Bitcoin goes up, you are making money. If Bitcoin goes down, you are making money. You will still get points from SODEX. For Variational, they are very big and it has really gone far. But the good thing about Variational is that Variational does not take charges from you to buy or sell. They will not take charges from you. It is very free. And we in this community, you know, we don't have much of funds and we are starting afresh. We're starting from the ground. That's why we need to reduce the cost as much as possible. And I thought it best that Variational will be the best platform to use for the delta neutral strategy. If you have completely understood, I will show you guys the action, but before we do that, please like this video as I have explained to you the concept of delta neutral strategy, and also share the video with your friends so that all of us come July 2026 will be receiving the payment from SODEX. The goal is to generate volume from SODEX, and we don't want to expose ourselves to market going up and down so that we don't take losses. Now, if you check SODEX and confirm a few things before we execute the delta neutral strategy, the first thing we'll confirm is to ensure that you are doing it on the contract, the futures market. And the way to confirm on SODEX is that you will always see this 25x attached if you're using Bitcoin. The second thing is to also confirm leverage number you are using. The leverage number I personally use 10, so you can click on this drop down and ensure that it is on 10, and then you can cancel. Then you set this quantity to USDC. Once you do this, because we are set to 10, in our case, we don't have much funds. You're 18, you're 25, no much money, you don't even have a computer. Wherever you are starting from right now, that is equally fine, no problem at all. With your $3, with your $5, what can you do? Multiply that $3. Like for me now, we have some funds here, so let's say I'm the one trading in your position. You can be doing it alongside with me. $3 times 10 will give us 30. This means that if you buy $30 USDC of Bitcoin and you close it together, you have generated $60 volume of Bitcoin. This is how people generate volume, and you can keep going up as you are doing the numbers depending on your account size. So therefore, you just click on the buy. You can see here now that the position is now live. But wait, that's not all. The next thing we want to do is to open a sell order. This one is buy. So on Variational, which does not charge us fees, we will open sell. I clicked on sell. Now you can see it's set to sell and it is on 10x. I will enter 30 as well. You can also check down here. The margin required is $3, 2.99, and then we click on sell. We can go down here. You can see that we already have our delta neutral strategy running. That is all. If you now understand the delta neutral strategy, guys, please like this video. This is what we do, explaining difficult technical concepts that the big crypto influencers don't want you to know into understandable bits, so that anybody, whether you are 18, whether you're 25, whether you are above, can know this thing and do it. There is no barrier whatsoever, and you can follow along because we are using this on the mobile screen. Some of us may not have a computer. That mobile phone in your hand right now can position you to make you money, and this is the way. So guys, that is all. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. One more thing before we go is that Variational does not charge you fees, but it is much more difficult now to get points. So just use Variational to do the delta neutral strategy, but your aim and focus should be on SODEX, because SODEX is where the real reward lies. Like I said in the previous video, if you've not watched it, I will link it in the description of the video. Do well to check it out so that you don't miss out on these informations, guys. So that's exactly how you interact on the Variational platform, using it together with SODEX so that you don't have to lose money, trading or buying and selling Bitcoin. Remember, everyone you see winning in crypto today started from the exact position you're in, and that's zero. The only difference is they got the right information and took action. That's what Overworks is here for. If this video helped you, subscribe, because next week we're covering RiseX trade. They are brand new, they are not distributing points yet, and this is the best time to get in. Drop a comment below telling me where you're starting from, and if you're on X, follow me at OvoEmmanuel1. I share daily tips there that don't make it to these videos. See you next week, Friday 5 p.m.